Yes, inspectors. Can I help you?
Ganda nun ah. Bago mo?
Hindi. Kaibigan lang. I'm going to die a single, lonely man. Well, less...
Magkabalikan kayo ni Amelie.
She's my first and only love. I know it's so cringy, so cheesy, pero hindi ko siya kayang palitan. Tinatago ko pa rin lahat ng may kinalaman sa akin. Everything from the souvenirs to the pictures. Kahit nga tong water bottle na bigay niya sa lahat ng taga-gym last Christmas na sa akin pa din.
Magkapareho ng water bottle si Luke at Zach.
I realized I can never unlove Amelie. Anyways, inspectors, I have to go. May pupuntahan pa ako.
Sige.
Yan, kuya. Dahan-dahan, please. Dito na lang. Thank you. Meron pa ata sa loob ng truck. Pakikuha na lang kasi paparating na yung owner. Alright, thank you. Okay. Ito. Oh my gosh! Oh my God, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh no.
Just leave it there.
What are you doing here? Ikaw yung may-ari ng bahay.
Ito dapat yung wedding gift ko sa'yo. Kung natuloy yung wedding.
I'll replace this. I'm sorry.
Don't. I want it there.
But this one's damaged. Wala na, sira na to eh. Baka pag nakita ng mga kaibigan mo, nakakahiya. Kasi sira na, sabihin nila pinagtsatsagaan mo pa.
Too bad. I stopped caring about what people say. This time around, kapag may gusto ako, ipagpipilitan ko. Besides, this one fits the house perfectly. What do you think?